All right, what's up, guys? We're just gonna go over today and a few things about my strategy that I use. I keep it short and sweet and simple. I have a few indicators on here. I have about three that, well, one, two, three that I use really in determining exactly how I get in on my strategy. So if you see today, we're gonna go over here. Um, we're gonna look at this right here. All right, so let's see. Let's move it over here and see if we can see this. All right, new share. Let's share this right here. All right, so if you can see this right here, I basically I look at the GBP, the chef, and as you can see, they're pretty much equal. All right, so I kind of stay out of the market when it's equal like this. Reason being is because it's probably not gonna move. It's good for scalping, but I'm not really a scalper. So you just got to look at when it's equal, no, as you were equal, no trading, and that's fine because today it wasn't really any big news that was happening today. All right, so if you can look right here, we'll actually go to as you were. We'll go. Uh, we'll look right here. We'll go to share screen again, and we'll look. Let's go over here and see if we can see right here. So if you can see on Monday, uh, here we go. All right, you can see Monday, really nothing going on in the market today. Really nothing going on. So normally when I see that, I kind of stay out of the market. Plus on Monday, I kind of like to let the market play out. All right, so what we'll do is we'll go from here. Let me see, clear all that stuff out. All right, and then we'll go to this one right here. All right. All right, so as you can see, like I say, guys, we're gonna keep it pretty simple. If you look right here, this is normally the one I trade. I trade London session. All right, hope you guys can hear me. I trade London session, and as you can see, I take my trades from, and I'm up normally, so I'm on Central Standard Time, so I go from 2 to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. I look at market volatility. All right, so as you can see right here, it was pretty much nothing today. All right, clear all this stuff out. All right, so this is what I look for. I'm gonna go back to this day right here. All right, and then I'm gonna show you this. See right here, I'm gonna have it marked off. Let me see if I can do this in red. As you see, this is the Asian session. I trade off the Asian session. All right, Asian session. All right, Asian sesh. All right, and what I do is I look for the volatility to push down. So as you can see right here, it's saying that it's a sale, but I don't automatically take that sale. I also look for to see if the GBP or the chef, where in this case, since it's a sale, I look for the chef to be strong and the GBP to be weak versus the news. Uh, I look at the fundamentals, but since I'm so short term, typically I'm in the market 2 to 3 hours. The longest I've ever been was a day, but that's because I've seen it going my way. So as you can see right here, the push down sell. But as these indicators indicate, I wait for four confirmations. I look for it to be under the 50 EMA. That's one. All right. Two is the sell confirmation. I just put sell con. And then three, all right, sorry, I'm speaking like this. Three, all right, I see that candle underneath the Asian session, and 4, as you can see right here, I look for all reds. All right, so I just look for 4. It's pretty simple once you're going off the hour time frame. So you have a little time, and then I make sure it's inside my trading window, of course. That goes without saying. You should never trade outside your trading window. All right, so 1, I look for it to be, I look for all sales under the 50 EMA, and then I look for a sale confirmation. Let's put confirmation, confirm. All right, I look for it to be under Asian session, under Asian sesh, and then I look for all reds. And then I go for, let me clear all these drawings. And then once I see that, I'll go for the good old 50, the 1 and 1. All right, I'm fine. You do whatever you want to do as far as, you know, how you get in. I go for 1 and 1 and call it a day. And if you look, this trade took about 3 hours, and that's fine with me. Off the trading thing, off my trading plan, I go for 50 and 50. All right. As long as normally sometimes it don't come few and far between, like last week. If you look last week, it was only one good trade and I took the 50 pips and I was out. And if you looked as you were, yeah, in the week prior on that Friday, again, if you look at this right here, let's look again, you see a sell confirmation. All right, sell confirmation. As you can see, all reds. All right, under the 50 EMA, under my Asian session. All right, and then you can go from here. Take your 50 pips, 50 and 50, and you out. Got it? Pretty simple, huh? And that's pretty much the way I trade. All right, let's see if we can get these off of here. Clear all drawings. And right here, boom. And if you look right here again, so like I say, they come, it's okay to wait for your trade. It's literally okay to wait for your trade. Sometimes you don't have to take much, sometimes you might not have a trade, and then sometimes you have 2 or 3 trades that week. All right, so just be patient. All right, if you look at, sell confirmation underneath the 50 EMA, all reds underneath, take your 50 pips and you bounce. All right, let's clear out the drawings. All right, let's do the short right here. You do 50 and 50, and that's fine. Sometimes, like, it's not 100%. All right, but pretty much, and also I'll wait for my currency chef to be strong. All right, so these are just 3 good examples within the last 2 to 3 weeks that you got. And I'm not gonna sit here and say you can ride it all over you down. That's up to you. I only do 50 and 50, and then I get up out of the market and I look for another another opportunity the next day. That's fine. Right here, if you look, this is a buy opportunity, but this is outside of my trading time frame. But it did cross over the 50 EMA, which is a good price change, and then you could have got you 50 pips right here. If you look right here, it does say sell over the top of here. Let me show you. It does say sell over the top of here, but it's over the 50 EMA, so we don't take no sales right there. We only look for buys. All right. But that's pretty much plain and simple the way I want to show it today. As you can see today, it was pretty much no news, and it was also the let me see. I actually have this one right here is called the Donchian trend ribbon, and this one is a trend meter. I use those, and then the other one is just the Darvis buy or sell. Play with this length if you need to. It's up to you. And then I don't have the box right now. I have them on sale. Have it on sale because it's underneath the 50 EMA. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the day. Nothing really moving in the market. So as far as my pair, so it's okay to not have a trade. And I might not have a trade till Wednesday or Thursday. It depends. There's some more, and there's some news coming. Let me look and see. Let's actually look and see. So there's actually some news coming for the GBP on let's see, tomorrow actually during my trading time, you look right here. Now let's change this color to red so you can actually see it. There's some, so right here, trading this. So I'm not sure, like I said, if it's gonna go up or down. As far as that, I'll do some more research on it. But since I'm not in the market that long, this probably won't affect me too bad. And then on, let me see. And then let's clear this out. Then we look towards Friday. That's everybody for this Jackson Hole Symposium. But as far as I'm looking at tomorrow around 3:30 a.m., we'll see the way it moves. Like I said, normally I only take buys. I'm gonna be honest. This is for the last month to 2 months. It's been bearish. I mean, yeah, bearish. So I'm only looking for buys. So if it goes up for if it goes bullish during the week, then I'll just leave it be until it actually let's go back over here until it actually goes back up and retest over the 50 EMA. So I'll pretty much be looking for buys until um, I see a good trend change up here until it bounces off. But as of right now, if you look on the daily time frame, and let me get rid of these drawings. If you look on the daily time frame, it's still bearish. So that's why I'm only looking for sales right now. And the only time I'll start looking actually for buys for this pair specifically is if it comes over here and bounces off within the next few weeks. And then I'll start looking for buys in the bullish market. But as of right now, everything I'm taking is all bearish. So I do look off the daily time frame. And as you look right now, it's kind of indecisive right now. It came down about 50 pips, then it retraced a little bit, retracted a little bit. And if you look on the 4-hour time frame right now, it's stagnant. It's pretty much consolidating right here. This was the impulse candle on Friday, and then ever since then it's just been consolidating right here. So once it breaks this box, if you look right here, once it breaks this consolidation box, then I'll start to look for either a good sale. But if it comes up this week, and if you look, let's move this pattern up. If it comes up and retrace, that's fine. That means I'm not gonna trade. I'm just waiting for, but if it does come back up this way and retraces a little bit, and then Wednesday or Thursday it comes down, I'll be looking for it. Other than that, it's okay. Sit on your hands and wait for the perfect setup like I showed you earlier, and then we'll move from there. Other than that, you guys have a good day and a blessed trading week. Hopefully everybody's prosperous. All right.